understanding the phrase, Pelican's nest. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, Pelican's nest. This might sound a bit unusual, but by the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it in your everyday conversations. Let's dive in. The phrase, Pelican's nest, is not a common idiom or expression in English. However, it can be used metaphorically or in specific contexts. A pelican's nest, in literal terms, refers to the place where a pelican lays its eggs and raises its young. This can be related metaphorically to a safe, nurturing environment or a place where something is carefully developed or nurtured. Now, let's see how we can incorporate this phrase into our everyday language. Remember, since it's not a standard phrase, it's often used in a more creative or descriptive way. 1. Metaphorically, our home has always been a pelican's nest, full of warmth and care. 2. Descriptive, the artist's studio was cluttered and chaotic, yet it was his pelican's nest, where his best ideas hatched. It's also useful to know some variations or similar phrases. For instance, nest, on its own, often symbolizes home, safety, or comfort. Phrases like, feathering one's nest, or leaving the nest, are more common and carry specific meanings in English. Try to create your own sentences using pelican's nest, or any of the variations we discussed. This will help you understand the phrase better and improve your English language skills. That's all for today. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, pelican's nest, in your conversations. Remember, language learning is all about exploring and understanding the nuances. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to get creative with your language use. See you in our next lesson.